From what you can see in a smile, you'd think a tooth is pretty simple. That's because the only part we can see is the crown, which is really just the tip of the iceberg. But take a look inside, and it's surprising what we find. Inside the crown and down into the roots, every tooth is hollow to make room for blood vessels needed to keep the tooth alive. The soft tissue in here is called the pulp, and it contains nerves that let us know when there is something wrong with the tooth. Deep in the jaw, branches enter the tooth through a hole at the end of the root and travel up the pulp canal to fill the space in the crown, which is called the pulp chamber. The soft pulp is surrounded by hard dentin, which is a pale yellow color. We don't normally see dentin because it's covered from the gums up by the hardest material in the body, enamel. The cap of enamel is the reason our teeth are hard, white, and shiny. Every tooth sits in a socket in the jawbone and is held in place by a thin elastic cushion called the periodontal ligament. This stretchy connection lets the tooth move a little when you chew, like a shock absorber. Above the jawbone, the tooth is wrapped in a firm cuff of gum tissue called gingiva, which hides everything but the crown. And that's why there's more to a tooth than meets the eye.